Hello everyone, this is Tiash from California. Welcome back to my channel Tiash at California. If you are looking for the ultimate fall comfort food and also want to impress your guest with healthy Thanksgiving dinner, you are in the right place. It's not only delicious but also PCOS friendly. Hello everyone, if you are new to my channel, I am a certified health coach. My specialization is the weight loss program for busy professional. I also help people to choose right kind of food and maintain a healthy lifestyle to achieve their health goal. If you want to know more about me, please visit my website. Thank you. Today it's raining outside from the morning and there is no sun. It's very cloudy. Look at the fall leaves. This weather reminds me to make a cozy roasted butternut squash soup that's so creamy and delicious. It's like a hug in a bowl. So grab your sweaters and a cup of tea or coffee and let's dive right in. Here is what you will need. 1 large butternut squash. I just cut it into 2 pieces. A handful of baby carrots, 1 onion, 1 garlic, 4 cups of plain water, 1 cup of grated coconut, olive oil, salt, pepper and your favorite spices. I am using my favorite Trader Joe's seasoning, clove, cinnamon and roasted coriander cumin powder here. Alright, let's get started by roasting our butternut squash and other vegetables. Roasting not only enhances the flavor but also brings out all the sweetness. First thing first, don't forget to preheat the oven to 400° Fahrenheit. While that's heating up, let's prep all the vegetables. It's the easiest soup ever. I drizzled everything with olive oil, salt, pepper and with all of my favorite seasoning. And then it's ready to bake. Now let's pop into the oven for about 60 minutes until it's tender and golden. I'm gonna check it after 30 minutes. Wow, it's nicely baked now. If you have PCOS, this creamy soup is a great way to get your favorite vitamins without the added sugar and refined carbs. First step is done, that was baking. Now we are getting ready for the second step, that is blending. I'm gonna put everything one by one into my blender. You wanna see the creamy texture of the baked butternut squash? It's like buttery, creamy. It's already looking delicious. This is the best way to use the garlic, I feel, because I didn't have to peel it before. Just I have to squeeze it after baking, and it's very easy. Look how easily it's coming. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of shredded coconut into the mixture. Feel free to add the coconut milk if you have that. I believe in natural ingredients, so I believe in using coconut rather than store-bought canned coconut milk. Now I'm adding the water and I'm gonna blend it into nice, smooth, creamy consistency. Wow, look at it now. It's so creamy, velvety, and look at the color. I can feel like I'm seeing the fall color inside my blender. I turned on my gas stove and I'm gonna pour this mixture into this pot. The texture of the soup looks very thick to me now. So I'm gonna add 3 cups of more water into it, and I will check the consistency. If I need more later, I'm gonna add it after. Now I will cover the lid and I will cook it for 10 minutes in medium to low heat. Wow! Now look at this beautiful vibrant soup. It's velvety smooth, rich in flavor, and absolutely perfect for fall. We are gonna enjoy it with some toasted sourdough in our lunch. I'm gonna top it with some roasted walnuts for an extra crunch, but it's totally optional. This roasted butternut squash soup is perfect for meal prep and can be stored in the fridge for a week in the fall weather. Best of all, it's packed with nutrients that can help balance hormones and keep you feeling great. If you loved this cozy recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more healthy meal ideas and hit that notification bell. What healthy recipe you want to see next? Comment down below. Thanks for joining me today. Enjoy your warm bowl of goodness, and I will see you in the next video.